In today's video, we are going to be working on this beautiful box challenge from my friend Maria, as she's got it. If you guys aren't familiar with her, please check out the link in the description, and please subscribe to her channel if you're not already subscribed. If this is content you're interested in, please stay tuned. Alrighty guys, let me tell y'all something. I thought I was recording, and I've been playing for a good 3-4 minutes, and then I looked up and I wasn't recording. But I can't do it over because I've already scratched and crossed out a few of them. I started out with $50. Just a quick recap. I drew this one here. Guys, only Maria, honest to God, do any of you have this many bloops and errors and boo-boos when you're recording or attempting to record a video? Ay. So we picked this green one. It was $5, so yay, $5. And then we picked this one here, section 6, and that said add $5. So yay, another $5. And I was telling you guys in my non-recording moment that we picked this one here from box 5, and how excited was I when I saw another 5, and I looked up and said, guys, at the rate we're going, this is going to be more than a 2-minute video, because the money is lasting. You know, we keep picking 5 instead of 15, 10 and 5, you know, it's gonna last us a little bit. And I looked and it was like 0, 0, 0, 0. I wasn't recording. So we've already added $5 to this. We have $35 left. Let me check. I am recording. So let's move on. I tell you guys, some of you say, oh, we like your channel because you keep it real. Yes, I do it. But I make the craziest mistakes. Okay, this pretty one is $10. So let's go in here, cross this one, and grab a 10. We already have a few dollars in this one here. I was also asking you guys how you were doing and how your weekend was. And, you know, I am actually pre-recording this, so I'm not sure if you guys are going to be watching this on Monday or Tuesday. But nonetheless, I hope you're having a wonderful day and that the beginning of your week is going smoothly. All right, let's pick one more. Okay, back to 6. This pretty yellow bowl is about to take the rest of my money. All right, so this one here is $15. We're going to grab this 20. We're going to take this 5 out. And we've got $20 in this one here. Now, I get to pick one more card because we only have $10. So let's see. 7. Box 7 is at $5. Okay, not bad. Now, guys, we've been on a good streak with these 5s. Should we try again? Or should we? I don't know. I got a feeling we're going to end up with an IOU if we draw, so I hope not. Box 4. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Would you look at that, guys? It is not an IOU. I picked this one here. I'm going to zoom it in. It's a 5. A 5. So no IOU for this one here. How exciting is that? All right. So we're going to put $5 here, and just a quick recap, this here is for my self-care. So when I am done with this beautiful challenge, all this money is going either to my personal savings account, it's going towards me buying something special for myself, maybe a massage, I don't know, I'm not sure, but look how beautiful it is, guys. And again, I mentioned it in the beginning, but this here was created by Maria, as she's got it. If you guys aren't following her, make sure you check her channel out. I'll link it in the description. She has an Etsy shop where you can find not only this beautiful challenge, but she's got a lot of beautiful box challenges. Very, very creative. All right, you know what? I forgot about this. instead of taking my chance with that last one, I could have just came here and automatically picked this. But I forgot. I'm a mess today, guys. But I am glad that I was able to save some money. $50 going into this challenge. I am going to keep these here together because I can always reuse it, even though it's not laminated. All I have to do is reprint the actual cards, the trackers, and save these. So that is what I'll be doing. Guys, I've also ordered some new challenges. I know, listen, I know in my last video or the one prior to, I shared how I overspent over $1,000, guys, in a 2-week period. And I'm trying my best not to spend. And let's see, I've been doing good. Yes, well, Saturday was a no spend day. I think I was traumatized after posting that video. And then Sunday, I did go out and I went shopping for Jaden. Now, I had $100 set aside. This boy has grown out of all his clothes. So I had to buy him some new shorts, some new t-shirts. And I had $100 set aside for him for his clothes. Guess what, guys? We did good. We only spent $98 and some odd cents. I'm not sure the exact amount, but it was $98. So I was happy that we stayed within budget, because y'all know I don't need to be having to pull money from other places or use a credit card. We don't need to be doing that. So I'm excited that he's got some clothes that are going to fit him and he's going to be comfortable in. I know that I will be needing to buy him some fall clothes because none of his jeans fit. I think I've got about 12 jeans that I'm giving away, and shorts and t-shirts. But thankfully I do have a family member who has a son that will be able to fit them. So I'm excited to be able to, you know, pass it down. A lot of the stuff, a few of them he never wore. So it's going to be a good feeling to be able to help someone out. Alrighty, guys, I am hot. It is burning up in here. I had to turn off the fan. The central air is on, but it's not kicking on for whatever reason. So I need to check on that, but it is really hot up here. So I am going to say that is it for now. You guys, I hope you're having a wonderful week. Take care of yourselves. Stay blessed, and we will be chatting soon.